What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you the 5 best high-paying work-at-home jobs of 2020. And these aren't any just crappy work-at-home jobs. These are 5 hand-picked work-at-home jobs that I personally did the research for, and you can actually work from home, obviously, and earn a full-time income with any one of these. And you don't need any crazy degrees or anything like that. You can come in with absolutely no experience and start any one of them. And the 5th and final one is what I'm personally doing to earn commissions just like this. And if you want to learn about that, make sure you watch the entire video when I'll be revealing it to you at the end of this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so hopping right into it. The first one out of 5 for the work-at-home jobs is actually tutoring. And this is on a website called tutors.com. And this can teach you how to become a tutor and make $50. And you don't need any degree or anything. You would think you did, but you literally don't. That's the power of the internet. So if you go to tutors.com and we scroll all the way down, you just click how to become a tutor, and then it will show you kind of like frequently asked questions, and then I'll show you how to apply and all that stuff, right? So you set up a free tutoring profile, you get requests, you introduce yourself to new students, and then you start getting jobs, okay? And then here are some of the frequently asked questions, and it's like, how much should I charge for tutoring? So the average price charged for tutoring is $50 an hour. Tutors typically charge based on their experience and education level. And then they say we see prices starting at $25 per hour if you're just getting started to $80 an hour if you're a certified expert. And then, for example, like if you speak another language, you may not think that that's like something crazy out of this world, but a lot of people are interested in learning a language, and you could tutor someone in a language. So technically you could be a certified expert. And then they talk about how much online tutors get paid. And then right here, this is the important one. Do I need a degree to become a tutor? And then it's right here. Many people think they need a degree in education in order to become a tutor. However, tutoring jobs are available to anyone with a high school diploma or a GED. So you do need that at the very minimum. And then they say there are plenty of tutoring jobs available to work with elementary, junior high, or high school students. And then they show you how to get certified, and there's just like a test. And you can also get a license, but that's optional. And these are all in order of my own order. There's no specific order of like the best rated out of everything, right? This is just my best rated in order of worst to best. So let's move on to number 2. And this one is a social media marketing agency. But the thing about a social media marketing agency is that could mean so many different things, right? Like it could mean you could run their ads, you could SEO optimize their website, you could get them leads, you could design their website. There's so many things you could do inside of that. But what I suggest is picking one of those and specializing in that thing, right? So I want to show you something quick. If I typed in carpenters near me, okay, and then right here, PJ's Woodworking, you can see they have a website, but a few of the top listed ones don't even have a website, right? So here's PJ's Woodworking website. And I'm not hating on this guy or whatever, but this is just not a good website, all right? So I would suggest, I think it would be easiest if you became a specialized website designer, because for a good website, you can earn thousands of dollars, and they're not that hard to make. Like literally what I know about website design and everything, I learned from YouTube and a couple of courses. It's all just about kind of learning and doing, right? Like, and you could even just start out just practicing on your own on free websites, on WordPress, and just get the hang of it. And then how you would actually get clients, there's a few ways. The less good ways I would not suggest is going on those freelancing websites, which does work. It's just a little slower. But for this exact example and this specific job, what I would do is just do exactly what I just did right here, is go to Google, type in businesses, and then find the businesses like this, and then message them. Right? The nice thing about those freelancing websites is you don't need your own website, but if you were going to do this strategy where you reach out to the businesses, it would be good to have a website. Like this guy, Mankato Web Design. Like look at this. This looks legit. And you can see they do more than just design. They do SEO, blog writing, ads, PPC, maintenance, SEO, everything. You don't have to do all that. You could just be purely website design. But if you have a website, then people really know that you're legit, right? It's very professional. So if you want a website and you don't have one, there's free options, but you want it to be as professional as possible, and you need web hosting for that. And you can get my #1 web host, which is Bluehost, down in the description. You can get a discount link if you want it. No big deal. Now, the third work at home job is actually something that I truly think it was tough to decide between 3 and 4. I put it at #3, but this one's for being a freelance video editor. And as you can see right here, you can earn up to $100 an hour, if not more. This is on Upwork.com. This person's $100 an hour, $70,000 earned, 99% completion rate. Look at $80 an hour, $50 an hour, $150 an hour, $95 an hour, $150. Like, editing is such a high income skill. It's insane. So many people think that editing's very tough, right? And I'm not gonna lie, at first it takes a little bit to get used to, but it's really not that hard. It really isn't. Again, it's just about learning and doing. I taught myself how to do it with one tutorial on YouTube, literally. It's that simple, and you just get better over time. And the nice thing is, if you're focused on learning one skill, you'll get a lot better a lot faster than if you were focused on 12 different things, or even all 5 of these work at home jobs that I'm sharing with you. So make sure you pick one. And then if you want to get clients for this, again, you could create your own profiles on Upwork or Fiverr. But a good way to do this would be just going on YouTube and finding YouTubers, and you could do this a couple different ways. You could go to their about page and they'll have an email address for business inquiries. But I think the better way is just opting into their funnel on their description, and then joining their email list and actually liking their videos, commenting, subscribing, actually being a part of it, not just trying to make money off them. Actually do it for someone that you support, right? And then join their Facebook group, follow their Instagram, just be a part of their community, and then reach out to them and be like, hey, I'll edit your video for free. Right? Maybe do 1 or 2 videos for free and be like, no strings attached, but hey, if you want to work with me in the future, if you like my editing, maybe we could work together. And then they'll start paying you, right? And you can also, instead of doing it that way, which I think is the better way, you could just reach out to them and offer your services. And again, social media, there's so many ways to find people interested in YouTube. It's very, very simple. Trust me, there's a lot of people out there who would love to have you edit their videos and would love to pay you, right? Maybe at the beginning, you're not going to make $150 an hour, but you can get there if you focus on it, I promise. Now, the 4th job, this one is the one I said I didn't know if I should have it in place of the video editor or not, but this one is a high ticket closer. And the main reason I put it as #4 and not #3 is because having this skill where you're able to call people and close them and sell them is one of the highest income skills you'll ever learn. All right. So if you don't know what it is, basically you get on the phone and you sell high ticket products for entrepreneurs or businesses, right? So typically it's going to be a high ticket course or a high ticket coaching program. And it's kind of like the next work at home job, my work at home job, but a little different. With this one, it's nice because you don't have to deal with any of the customer support. You're just closing them, and then every time someone purchases, you get a commission, right? So it could be 20, 30, maybe even 50%. And let's say it's a $10,000 coaching program, right? And you get 50% commission. That's $5,000 on one sale. That's so powerful. And not to mention, they give you a script. They literally give you a script. Obviously, you're going to still have to, you can't just read off a script step by step every time because some answers may be different, but the script is like your guide. You literally follow it to a T and then you improvise. And at the start, you may just follow it word for word, right? But you'll get better just like all the other ones. If you're focusing on it, you will constantly improve. And I promise you, you will never be broke if you learn how to close sales on the phone. Now, the 5th and final work at home job is my personal online business, and it's what I do, and it's what I've made over $10,000 with. And it's from those commissions I showed you at the beginning. And this business model absolutely changed my life. And what it's called is affiliate marketing, but this specific one is high ticket affiliate marketing. And I promote one main high ticket program, and that's Legendary Marketer. And similar to phone closing, you earn a commission, you don't have to deal with support, and you just promote other companies or other businesses' courses. And you can make some serious money from this. I've earned over $10,000 in the last couple months. Absolutely insane. But my favorite thing about this is you don't have to get on the phone and do the closing yourself. They do that. Right? So they take care of the high ticket closing. You get your 40% commission and you don't have to do any of the hard work. And truly, this all started with this 15-day challenge right here, which teaches you how to build your own high ticket, high profit online business. I honestly couldn't make any money online until I got started with Legendary. That's no joke. Like, I was working my butt off for 6 months and made $0. But once I got started with Legendary, everything changed. And like I said, it all started with this 15-day challenge. And you can get started with this challenge for just $7. So if you're interested in Legendary Marketer, you want to earn high ticket commissions, and you want to get started with the 15-day challenge, click the first link in the description box below. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell if you have not done that already. And if you didn't like any of these 5 high-paying work-at-home jobs, you can check out these 2 money-making strategies right here. Thanks again for watching, and till next time.